The future trends which are there, which in the back of my mind, which is most important, is that people are very health conscious now. So we will see more plant-based meat substitutes rather than by the meat itself, which will be replaced. Examples that are there is a veggie burgers, which is already creating news the world over. We are waiting to have its representation in India. Then you also have certain dishes which this creates. It's not a mock meat, but it is something which gives you the texture, the fiber, and the flavor of the dishes that are there. Then the second one is the lifestyle that is there, the diet that changes that are there. You have the keto diet, which is quite popular and which will remain popular. In addition to the keto diet, you also have vegan that is there. Then you have lactose-free diet. So these are different diets that are there. You will also have the health-based ingredients that will be very popular, which is already a trendsetter. You have milk-based substitute, cow milk-based substitute that you have. You have the soya milk, which is already there, but other than that, you have the oat milk, then you have the cashew milk. So bran milk. So there are different types of milk substitute that's available in the market, and which is creating more awareness among the people. Wasabi, when it opened 15 years back, the cuisine was absolutely new to the city. When it opened, it was more of a chef-centric menu, wherein the chef introduced the menu to the people of Mumbai. So it was something of a new revelation. So now it has become a guest-centric menu. So in 15 years, you will see that the guests are now, they know what the cuisine is, and because of globalization, they know what are the dishes that are there, and they would like us to prepare certain dishes according to their taste. So we have guests who are coming now to us, and we know exactly what are their tastes, and so we make the menus accordingly, according to their preferred taste. Most important ingredients to this secret to this recipe is that it has a passion, it has innovation, it has the detailing. There's a lot of research in it. So after we do a research, we try and do certain variants of the particular dish. And once we zero into the dish, which is the final version of that dish, we then measure that, we record it, and then we go back to the produce and the detailing of each and every dish that we do, right from the source, the vendor that we get, our raw ingredients, the brand that we get, then measuring everything and ensuring that the final product is the same through taste by the chef, and also doing a surprise random food tasting that is done by me and my deputy, the executive sous chefs that we do. Designing of the menu, there are a lot of factors in it. One is you have to take the trends that are there, the latest trends that are there. Then you have to take the quality of the ingredients. We get the freshest of ingredients from Japan. Then it's about innovation. What is it that you can bring onto the table on the menu in terms of a new way, a new ingredient introduced, a new way of cooking that is introduced. And most important is the ease of reading the menu. So it is now, the trend is from having different courses, it is more of a linear based on the guest preference. So 65% of your Indian clientele, if you see, as per the statistics, they are Gen Y guests. Yeah. So this 65%, they have grown up in an atmosphere where there is globalization. The global trends have changed. They talk more about eco-friendliness and what is happening around them, more aware of the world that is there around them, and they want a work-life balance. More importantly, they want things that before they visit the restaurant, they want transparency in terms of if there is any health food that is there, it is organic food that is there, or anything that is the USP of a restaurant, because they want to take care of their health, which is they are very aware. They're aware of all that. Based on that, and they come and they patronize the restaurant. That is how I feel the future of this trend of this
Healthy eating.
healthy eating will go.